Built in 1951, the Bronx River Parkway bridges are finally getting a total transformation. Long a choke point for passengers, these aging spans are being replaced by roomier, safer versions, rising 30 feet above the busy thoroughfares. The $517 million project is led by Yonkers Contracting, with completion set for 2029. Project manager Anthony Sarvideo is overseeing a complex staged build, starting with new foundations, columns, and pier caps. The build uses 7,000 tons of steel across 272 massive girders to form the new backbone of the Parkway. In a single weekend, 1,000-foot sections will be launched into place using two 150-ton strand jacks. The team is drilling 500 micropiles up to 70 feet deep and pouring 40,000 cubic yards of concrete. New shoulders and a 12-foot shared-use path will eventually connect residential neighborhoods from the Bronx to Westchester. For more construction news, visit constructionequipmentguide.com.